It's a pleasure to have you here. Allow me to introduce the amazing Bissell FlexClean FurForce Robot Vacuum and Mop, a 12-word marvel designed to effortlessly remove pet hair on all surfaces. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this robot vacuum at the best price in the market. This smart cleaning companion offers 2x stronger suction at its motor, giving you up to 30% more hair pickup compared to previous models, which is perfect for homes with pets that shed constantly. One of its standout features is the never-tangle brush roll, which means you don't have to spend time untangling clumps of fur or debris, saving you time and frustration every day. It's also a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, so while it's picking up dust, dirt, and fur, it's also mopping your floors with a multi-surface cleaning formula, leaving a fresh scent behind. The 360 React LiDAR navigation system ensures the robot maps your home efficiently, avoiding obstacles and cleaning every corner without getting stuck, which makes it extremely reliable for whole home cleaning. On top of that, the HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns, which helps reduce allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander in your living space. Another convenient feature is the self-emptying base that can hold up to 8 weeks of debris, reducing the hassle of constant emptying and maintenance. The runtime of up to 180 minutes allows it to clean large areas on a single charge, making it practical for busy households. While it's incredibly efficient, the price is a little higher than some basic models, but the convenience, power, and advanced features more than justify the investment. Its ability to handle multiple floor types, combined with the fresh scent after mopping, truly makes it stand out. For anyone looking to maintain a clean, pet-friendly home without constant manual effort, the Bissell FlexClean FurForce is a remarkable option. Don't miss out on experiencing this level of smart cleaning for yourself. Check the link in the description below to grab yours at the best deal and see how easily your floors can stay spotless, fur-free, and fresh every day.